R134 heat pump water heater. To achieve 130 degree water temperature, you must have about 20-30 degree split from your saturation temp. So that puts your saturation temp at 160 degrees. Most modern refrigerants and comfort cooling applications, R22, R454B, R32, R410A, all have a critical temperature around 160 degrees or lower. Therefore, it is not feasible to achieve high condensing temperatures to heat hot water. That's why this uses 134A, because it has a critical temperature of 214 degrees. This unit lost the compressor, so I got it tore down. You see a capacitor due to it being single phase, a bunch of wiring, EEV stepper expansion valve, stepper motor expansion valve, suction line sensor, discharge line sensor, ambient temp sensor, tank sensor. So the PLCs can make a logical change to meet demand with the least energy possible.